Preview.
I'm Parikshet from Fun Club.
And this time it's gonna be a surprise drawing. You know what the drawing is gonna be?
What?
This drawing is gonna be of this.
What?
This, the Kids Funland Club logo. We will be drawing the Kids Funland Club logo.
What?
Yay!
Flippin'.
Let's see how it looks like. Okay?
It's going to be a little difficult.
Yes, so let's see.
Let's draw in one line only.
We'll write K. So to write a K, like it's written in our logo, okay.
It might be a little difficult.
Yeah, it will be a little difficult. That's I. And this is G. And this is gonna be S. Kids. The Funland Club is going to be difficult because it's a lot of letters in a very small space. Now let's write fun. We'll have to write it a little small. You just need to follow what you know. Below K, we will finish FU. Below this, we'll write N. Then below I, it's L, E, and then in that way, we will finish it off. Okay, let's start from the beginning. That is F. That's F. Then we do a U. Then that's a N. Do it slowly, beta. Fun. Then we do a L.
No, I did an M.
What happened? It's okay. It's perfectly okay.
How am I going to do? Oh,
Yeah?
I forgot. I have to do the squares.
Let's start. Continue. L-E A.
Oh, I think I have to do a little.
Then it's R. Coming from and it's N finally. Okay, now the easiest part is writing club.
Oh no, I have to write N in the next one.
That is why I said you have to be careful.
I'm going to draw a small N.
Yeah, write a small N like this. Okay? But when you're drawing, you have to be very careful and draw it slowly because you have limited space.
I did the dirty again.
It's okay, no problem. Continue. Write the spelling of club. And we are done with the drawing. No, there are two things left. These are the two beautiful what are these? Parikshet's friends. Oh my god. What shape is that? And we are done with the drawing of Kids Funland Club logo. We'll be now coloring it. Do let us know if you love this drawing. This was a fun drawing.
Just like my Kishwan color t-shirt.
Yeah.
This actually matches because white.
Yeah. Have a
good day.
And if you do like, ask. It's your channel. You need to ask.
If you want some of my goodies like a t-shirt or a coffee mug or a mouse pad of Kisan Club, do subscribe my channel and do tag me at the Kisan Club and hashtag Kisan Club and share your drawings
Ideas with us
on Instagram with Ash.
Yeah. Have a good day.